Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to solve the problem example 8 page number 10 CBSE 10th standard NCERT max book, right? Actually what it is given here, they given a number 6, 72, 120. We need to find the LCM and HCF of a given number. We need to find the LCM and HCF of a given number. So first, as usual, by prime factorization method. Now you can use the prime factorization method to find the LCM and HCF of the numbers, right? Here they given 3 numbers. Usually they given before the example 2 numbers. Here 3 numbers. The same method what we did for 2 numbers. You can follow the same problem, same method for 3-digit number. First you should take a number 6. Find the factors, right? Find the prime factors. Now 6 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. So 3 again 3 one time. So we can write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Clear? Next, we can take a number 72. It is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. So how many 2s are there in a 7? 3 times. 3 times are 6, remaining 1. So near there is a 2, so it became a 12. So how many 2s are there in a 12? 6 times. Again, it's a 2 table. Even number 2 table. Here 1 times or 2, remaining 1, it became 16. So 8 times. Next, again 2 table, 9. Next, 2 table is not possible, so 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, so again 3, 1. So we can write it, 72 is equal to, what it is, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? So next number, here what they given, 120. Find the prime factors of 120. Even number, 2 table. So now 1 is not possible, take a 2 also, 12, 6 times. So 0, next 2, 30, next 2, here 1 times of 2, remaining 1, 1, 0, it became a 10, 5 times. Next, it is divisible by 3 table, so 5. So again 5, here 1. So we can write the factors of this, 120 is equal to, what are the factors? 2, 2, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So first we can find the LCM, HCF of a number. So HCF. So highest common factor. First find out the common factors. Here 2, 2, 2. So in this 3 number, 2 is a common, right? So first write a 2. Next number, which one is a common? Here 3, 3, 3 is a common. So write it 3. So 2 3s are 6 is the answer. So HCF of this 3 number is 6. Next, LCM. So we can consider each one as a row. So which factors occurs most of the time, we should take that factors, right? Here 2 occurs only 1 time. Here 2 occurs 3 times. Here 2 occurs 3 times. So we can take where 3 occurs most of the time. Here 3 times of 2. So write 3 times of 2. So 2 over. Next check a 3. Here 3 occurs only 1 time. Here 3 occurs 2 times. Here 3 occurs only 1 time. So occurs 2 times here. So you can take 2 3s. 3 into 3. Next number 5. 5 occurs here 1 time. Here there is no 5. Here also no 5. So here occurs only 1 time. So you should take 1 time. So into 5. So now we should multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 3. You should multiply. 12 1 6 7 72. 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 35 35 plus 1 36. 35 plus 1 36. So 360 is the answer. Are you all clear? Here, while we are noticing the problem here, example 8, here they given 3 numbers. Usually we will know the one formula. What it is actually, A into B is equal to the product of the given numbers equal to product of the HCF into LCM, right? We know this rule, formula, right? But it is not valid for the 3 numbers, right? That is equal to A into B into C. That is here they given 3 numbers. So product of a 3 number which is not equal to HCF of a number and the LCM of this number, right? It is not equal. Clear? You can note it. Only the formula is valid for the 2 numbers. Clear? It is not possible for 3 numbers. You should take it in a note. Clear? So the formula A into B in the product of the given number is equal to HCF and LCM. That is only valid for the 2 number. It is not possible for a 3 number, right? We should any more doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all of you.